Hi, I'm David Hainan. Welcome to Simple Science. Naturally inspired, organically infused. That's the tagline for Loma Hair Care. What does it mean to us? It's the basic core belief of our company. Number one, naturally inspired. Every raw material that we use comes from nature. Every chance that we have to improve as technology advances over the years, we're on the cutting edge. So we don't make a formula and keep it the same for 10 years. You'll know that our ingredients are fresh, natural, and as I said, the technology that advances, we're always on the cutting edge. What is organically infused? What I said about being honest about our ingredients is we're not 100% organic, so we don't claim to be. Most of our organic content comes from pure organic aloe vera gel. But every ingredient that we can possibly get that is organic, we use. So if you look at all of the oils that we use in the products, they're all organic. The vitamin E is derived from sunflower. It's 100% organic. So we're honest with the naturally inspired and organically infused. Safe, secure. You're going to feel so good about the products that you use. Hi, I'm David Hainan. Welcome to Simple Science. So let's talk about fragrance, because when you see the word on fragrance, some consumers that are very astute get all worried or freaked out. One thing as a cosmetic chemist for nearly 30 years, I'm concerned that consumers go onto the internet and they read all about these ingredients and in 3 minutes they're an expert. And that tends to make a consumer or somebody black and white about ingredients. And as a chemist, I feel that ingredients are rarely black and white. There's beneficial times and non-beneficial times. So you'll see the transition with our brand new branding in 2019, new packaging, different things like that. We've become what's called European EU compliant, and EU compliancy means that you list all the ingredients. But here's what I need you to know and understand. We derive our fragrances predominantly from natural sources. So if you think of daily shampoo and daily conditioner, it's pure orange, tangerine, and grapefruit essential oil. If you smell the shampoo, you close your eyes, smell it, it smells like a creamsicle. It smells just wonderful. So we use pure essential oils. We also use what's called aromatic botanical extracts. So this lab that we work with has a patented method to figure out how to get a lot of the aroma from the essential oil into the botanical extract base. So one of the first products I released is called Calming Cream. If you read the ingredients, about 1/3 of the way down, there's a list of about 20 to 30 different botanical extracts. Those are all 100%. You won't see the word fragrance because it's all botanical extracts. Natural aroma ingredients. There are approximately 180 natural aroma ingredients, so benzyl benzoate or benzyl alcohol, different things like that, that actually have a natural aroma. And the fragrance lab that we work with, natural producer of fragrances, takes those 180 ingredients and blend them. So that's based in natural chemistry, and it's, again, natural aroma ingredients. You'll see some of those. The last thing I want to point out is there's 26 what they call EU allergens that have to be listed on a label. 23 of the 26 ingredients come from natural essential oils. So when you see linalool or citronol, different things like that, someone might not understand it, but citrus oils are very high in citronol. So 23 of the 26 natural ingredients, or the EU allergens that you'll see listed on some of the ingredients, are actually from essential oils. So don't get freaked out about fragrance, learn the actual facts. And if you have questions, you can always call our facility, because our 800 number, or actually 866 number, is on every bottle. Hi, I'm David Hainan. Welcome to Simple Science. Let's talk about aloe vera, because if you look at our label on 99% of our products, you'll see the #1 ingredient is aloe vera gel. How do you think that we get aloe vera gel? Number one, some people have told me the story that we stand over our tanks with a big leaf of aloe and we scrape out the inner butter. That's actually not how it happens. But let's talk about the facts. Loma was the very first professional hair care brand to use aloe vera as its base nearly 30 years ago. As a company, we're honored that people are mirroring our approach, but if you look at how old some of those companies are, you'll realize that Loma was definitely the innovator. The other thing too is you hear all the time, and a lot of consumers don't understand, sulfate-free, we've been sulfate-free for almost 30 years. Paraben-free, we've been paraben-free for over 15 years, and then all the other ingredients and things like that. So at Loma, we have a firm belief that we've helped set the trends rather than follow the trends. So let's talk about aloe. This is actually what aloe vera looks like. This is 200x concentrated organic aloe vera gel. So what does that mean? It means 200 kilos of inner butter. We don't use any of the outside green layer of the aloe. It's pure inner butter, which is certified organic by 2 different organizations. So we take this powder aloe and reconstitute it with this clean, pure mountain water from the reservoir near our facility. So what does that mean? We take an amount of aloe vera and blend it in with this clean, pure water. And I'll mix this for just a minute. Aloe has properties of healing and soothing. Why did we use that complex many years ago? A lot of harsh ingredients which we didn't use. Sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium lauryl sulfate, different things like that. We wanted both the hairdresser and the consumer to get the healing, soothing properties of aloe vera on your hands, on your scalp, and on your hair. Actually, aloe vera is very low in pH naturally. It has a pH of 4.44. You can see that it's solubilizing easy into this water. Not completely, but you can see how clear this is. This is how we make aloe vera gel, and it's the base of our products, and it has been for nearly 30 years. Healing, soothing, and moisturizing and nourishing to the hair and the skin. So long ago, we believe that the complex of taking the ability of the skincare, healing, soothing properties, and blending it with the hair care products. So you're going to find that Loma is very moisturizing, healing, and soothing to the hair and skin.